Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC without Bluetooth. To begin, you will need a USB micro-B cable, which typically comes with the controller itself. We will also utilize a free, open-source application called DS4 Windows to bridge the connection and enable full functionality. This method ensures reliable performance, perfect for uninterrupted gaming sessions. Next, open your web browser and search for DS4 Windows to find its official download page. Look for the most recent stable release, then download that zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, simply extract all the contents into a new, organized folder. You are now ready for the next step of setting up the software. Now, take your USB to micro-B cable, usually about 5 feet long, and connect it from your PS4 controller directly into an available USB port on your PC. Once physically connected, open the DS4 Windows application you just extracted. The program will guide you through installing any essential drivers and then help you set up your first controller profile, ensuring all buttons are correctly mapped. With your controller connected, check DS4 Windows. It should now show your controller with a green indicator, confirming the connection. Navigate to the controller readings section within the application to test every button, trigger, and joystick for proper input. Finally, launch your favorite PC game to confirm everything works perfectly. You can then fine-tune any in-game settings for an optimal gaming experience, enjoying seamless wired control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.